Hindi coincidence na nakikita mo itong video na ito dahil today is one of the luckiest day. Ngayon pong June 11, Strawberry Full Moon po. At kapag Strawberry Full Moon, malakas po ang connection natin sa love, prosperity, at abundance. Gaya po ng dating ginagawa ko, ako po ay nag-a-announce. At ito pong announcement na ito is to encourage everyone who wants to manifest. At panawagan na rin po sa mga taong gustong magpa-manifestation mention. So if you want to be included on my manifestation mention list, all you need to do is like this video, share this video, and comment abundance sa comment section. This is Angel Card 88 saying love and light to all at pinagpapala ang naniniwala.